So first we're going to copy our message, and then we're going to go into settings and general, and then we're going to go to keyboard and text replacement, and we're going to hit the plus sign in the top right corner and paste our phrase into the top phrase section. And for the shortcut, since this is going to be for a new client booking, I like to just keep things simple, and so I'm just going to do NCB for a new client booking. And then you're going to hit save, but I forgot to hit save, so you'll see in a second. Whoop. Okay, so I went back, hit save, and then now once we're in a text message or an email, all we have to do is type in NCB, and once we type in the NCB, it will automatically pop up and your whole message is right there ready for you. And that's all you have to do.